Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Nextdoor app. So all you have to do in the first, you just go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. You just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. You just click here on notifications. Then it's going to take you to this list. You just waiting to open with you. So then here it's going to show for you like this here, and so you will click here on my activity here, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. You just scrolling down here until you will find here post you interacted with. Can you disable it for email, and here for push or app, and here for next door notifications, just click on it. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean post you interacted with the notifications disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.